Watch water sneak through the cell wall in 150 seconds. Here's a fast, clear tour of how water and dissolved elements get past the cell wall. First, a quick truth bomb. The cell wall isn't the bouncer, it's more like the open fence. In plants, fungi, and many bacteria, the wall is a tough mesh with tiny gaps, big enough for water and small ions to slip through. The real bouncer is the plasma membrane right behind it. That's where the cell activity happens. Step 1. Water approaches the wall. Because the wall is porous, water diffuses straight in, weaving through the fibers. Scientists call this the apoplastic pathway, apo like outside the cells, moving along the spaces in the wall. No permission needed. It's just physics. Water follows its concentration gradient. Step 2. Small elements. Think potassium, calcium, nitrate. Tag along in that apoplastic space. They can ride the water stream through the wall's pores. But reaching the wall isn't the same as entering the cell. To actually cross the membrane, they need a door. Step 3. The checkpoint. Plasma membrane. Here, water can take two routes. It can slip directly through the lipid bilayer a bit, or more efficiently, it passes through protein channels called aquaporins. That's osmosis. Water moving toward where the water is less free, usually where there are more solutes inside. Step 4. Ions need specific doors. If the membrane has open ion channels or carriers, ions move down their gradient. This is facilitated diffusion, no energy required. But when the cell wants to stockpile something, like pulling nitrate in even when there's less outside, it uses active transport. Step 5. The power move. Proton pumps. Plant cells spend ATP to pump protons, H+ out, making the outside slightly acidic and positively charged. That gradient is stored energy. Then co-transporters let a proton flow back in, carrying a nutrient like nitrate or phosphate with it. It's like buying 2 tickets with 1 pass. Step 6. Cell-to-cell sharing. In plant tissues, once water and ions enter one cell, they can move through tiny bridges called plasmodesmata, the symplastic route. That creates a living network, letting neighborhoods of cells balance water and nutrients. Special case, the endodermis. In roots, the Casparian strip is a waxy belt that blocks the apoplastic route to the plant's inner highway. At that point, water and ions must cross a membrane, quality control, before joining the xylem stream upward. Bacteria and fungi, same idea. Porous wall, selective membrane. The wall lets small stuff through. The membrane decides who actually enters. So, the summary. Cell wall, open mesh, low drama. Membrane, gated doors, smart choices. Water, mostly via aquaporins and osmosis. Elements, channels, carriers. Proton-powered co-transport. Simple, elegant, and happening trillions of times a second.